Okay, so now we have our concrete footer dug down into the ground and we've got it all leveled out. We've got our rebar set into place. In this particular job, we had to bring, this has a lower floor door. So when we drop the plumb bob, this line here will be even with the upper floor level. You can see where that cord's dropping down. And so we did that so we have a place for our bottom floor door to sit on. Had we not done that, when we go to install it, there's not gonna be anything for the bottom door to sit on. So that's why we're gonna form this out and bring it out about an extra 4 inches. And that'll solve that, that issue for us. Other thing to keep in mind is if you are in an area where wind load certifications are important, you gotta have this rebar in there. And it's always a good idea to snap a picture of the rebar before you put it into the pour concrete on it. Final little tidbit about rebar: when you put it into the concrete, make sure it's away from the edges and not touching the end of the form anywhere like we've got here. If the rebar is up against the plywood, it'll stick out of the concrete when the form is exposed, and that'll give a spot for the rebar to rust and therefore crack concrete down the road. So you just want to make sure the rebar is completely encased in concrete. So we're gonna start pouring here, and we'll shoot another video momentarily.